Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel JK Auto 586. Today, we're diving into the details of one of the most luxurious SUVs on the market, the 2025 BMW X7. This full-size SUV combines cutting-edge technology, impeccable luxury, and outstanding performance. Whether you're considering ownership or just want to learn more, stay tuned as we break down the interior, exterior, performance, and pricing. Transition to exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 X7 has undergone subtle but impactful design updates that enhance its road presence. The large kidney grille at the front is paired with sleek, split headlights that give it a futuristic yet bold look. The aerodynamic lines flowing along the body not only improve performance, but also make it visually stunning. The rear features slim LED taillights and a chrome accent strip, emphasizing the SUV's width and elegance. You also get multiple alloy wheel designs ranging from 20 to 23 inches, depending on the trim, to match your style. Overall, the X7 is an absolute head-turner. Transition to interior. Moving to the interior, the cabin is where the X7 truly shines. It offers a perfect balance of luxury and technology. High-quality materials like merino leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum trims are used throughout. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's curved display, which combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen powered by iDrive 8.5. The interface is sleek, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Space is another strong suit of the X7. It comes with 3 rows of seating, and even the third row offers decent legroom, which is rare in this segment. The second row captain's chairs provide exceptional comfort, and the ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance. Additionally, the panoramic glass roof with LED accents creates a stunning atmosphere during night drives. Transition to performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 X7 offers multiple powertrains to suit your needs. The xDrive 40 features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 with mild hybrid technology, producing 375 horsepower. It's smooth, efficient, and perfect for daily driving. For those craving more power, there's the M60 variant with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering 523 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent handling and grip. The X7's air suspension provides a plush ride, while its adaptive suspension adjusts to varying road conditions, offering both comfort and agility. Whether you're on the highway or tackling sharp corners, this SUV feels composed and confident. Transition to pricing. Finally, pricing. The 2025 BMW X7 starts at around $81,000, and for the base xDrive 40 model. If you go for the M60, you're looking at a starting price of roughly $108,000, and while it's not cheap, the X7 delivers a premium experience that justifies its price. Closing scene. So there you have it, the 2025 BMW X7. It's luxurious, packed with advanced technology, and offers powerful performance. Whether you're a family looking for space or someone who values refinement, the X7 ticks all the boxes. Let me know in the comments what you think about this.